If your makeup keeps looking patchy because of open pores, hit subscribe right now. Because these 5 primers can make your skin look instantly smoother and filtered. In number 5, we got Insight 3-in-1 Primer.
This budget-friendly primer is amazing for blurring pores and controlling extra oil. It gives your makeup a soft, smooth base without feeling heavy. Perfect for everyday glam.
Number 4, Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This one is super popular for a reason. It fills in open pores, smooths texture, and makes foundation glide on like butter. Your skin instantly looks baby soft and camera ready. Number 3, Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. If you struggle with oily skin and visible pores, this primer is a lifesaver. It mattifies the skin while making pores look less visible for hours. Number 2, Benefit Professional Primer.
This primer gives serious Instagram filter vibes. It blurs pores instantly and keeps makeup looking flawless all day long. Perfect for parties, weddings, and full glam makeup looks. Number 1, ELF Poreless Putty Primer. This one went viral for a reason. Fire. It smooths texture, hides pores beautifully, and makes your skin look silky before foundation. Honestly, your makeup will look way more expensive with this.
Which primer would you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty secrets, makeup hacks, and viral product pics.